Good morning. Good morning. Good morning. I think we are. I think we are live. I think we are live, everybody. All right. Good morning, everyone. Good morning. Bear with me as I just tried to do this completely new. Excuse me. And not feeling my best currently. Okay, I think y'all, I am so sorry if you're watching this right now. Top Trader Luke, what's up? Good morning. Good morning. Dude, I look so deformed right now on my stream. Ay caramba. Bruh. Bruh. Good morning, good morning. Alright, we're just gonna jump in from here, guys. My stream might look a little funky today, but it is what it is. Let me just let the Discord family know. Bro, trying to live stream is not a joke. Alright. Alright, alright. I think we're good. Easy kid. Bro, you're back. Just on a different account. Let's go. What's up? Apologize for the coffin. You recently been popping up on my feed, bro. I really like the way you trade, you manage your emotions and risk. I hope you go viral one day. Thank you so much, man. I appreciate that. And I don't know. I kind of don't know if I want to go viral one day, brother. I hear that it's a little bit stressful if you do. So. All right, y'all. All right. I just hate that I can't see the freaking full chat. You disappear. There you go. There you go. There you go. I agree with you. Chillin' bro just tried out Apex. Nice. Apex is great, man. Apex is cool. Got myself a 300K account. That's massive. I agree with you. Just popped up. I like how you trade. I definitely subscribe. Thanks, man. Seriously, thank you so much. Each subscription means so much to me, man. Screen is a little bit stretched, don't you think? It is, okay? Oh, listen. Don't beat me up too hard. I'm trying to figure this out. I thought I figured out how to go vertical and horizontal at the same time. And apparently I did it. Oh, I forgot to put the... Hold up. Now I'm live on Facebook too, which is not normal for me, but decided to give it a shot and see what it's like going live there. So we'll see. Well, for authentic people like yourself, you would be able to work it, make it work. I'm hoping to get to your level of maturity sooner than later. Man, stop it. Thank you, man. I appreciate that a lot. Hasn't been easy. And yes, it's a little stretched, okay? I'm trying to figure that out, all right? OBS scene. Here's my OBS scene. Settings. Output video. Okay, for today, I can't adjust my stretched video unless I have to cancel the stream again and do it over. So we're gonna make do. There's no trader on Facebook. I could agree with you on that. Ow, jeez. I want to see your live reaction to the video I just sent to Discord. Oh no, I'll have to check that out. Bullish, what's up, bro? Good morning. Seems like the flu's everywhere. I'm also down with the flu. I'm literally breathing through my mouth, bro. Last night was not good. I slept. I had to sleep on the couch because I was like breathing super heavy and coughing and didn't want to keep waking up my wife. So I slept on the couch and I've been breathing through my mouth because when I woke up, I had such dry throat. Like it was crazy, bro. And then I don't know what I did, but my ankle, my Achilles heel or whatever it is, bro, it hurts so bad. Like so bad. I barely could walk. I did play basketball on Sunday, but it's been fine the last day or so. And then yesterday, I don't know what happened. I was just talking to some of the people here at the office that I rent a space from. And all of a sudden, I just couldn't walk. I was literally limping. So, I don't know. Very weird. The flu is everywhere. Good luck from Australia. Thank you, man. Thank you. So this is just vertical, right? No one sees a horizontal stream, do they? No. Sorry, I'm confused. Nobody sees a vertical stream, do they? All right, well, we're streaming horizontally today, so excuse me, until I figure out how to do vertical and horizontal. This is where we're at. Oh, man. Australia. Thank you. Welcome. And also trying to slap myself back into TikTok too. I didn't say that. Autocorrect. What'd you say, Will? What'd you say, Will? I want to see your live reaction to the video I just sent to Discord. Oh yeah, that's right. Hold up. Oh no, bro. What did you do? What did Will do? Will, what did you do? Oh, okay. 60% off funded hero with code ShackMT. Yeah, I like that. I like that actually. Bro. Thank you for that. I am gonna have to learn that. Gonna have to learn that. Oh snap, you zoom into my face. Biker Shack. Bro, that is too funny, dude. That is too funny, bro. Thank you, man. That is too funny. MC, what up? What up? NQ's dropping right now, and it's nice. That's nice. All right, we got 15 minutes till market open. Let's mark off our levels here. We've got gold pulled up currently. So we're going to mark off our 1 hour supply and demand. Excuse me. Nice, beautiful tap of the 1 hour supply. Look at that. And then a solid rejection. Here's a nice demand level. And big, huge bearish candle. So I would like to short. If we were to come back up here, I'd try giving this a thing a short up in this area. So that's pretty much it for gold right now for me. We are making higher lows on the 1 hour and higher highs. So potentially maybe going long here if there's any clear indications to go long. But the sell-off on gold is pretty strong. All right, let's take a look at NQ. Jump to the 1 hour. So we have this 1 hour supply, which was tapped nicely and then rejected. We have a 1 hour demand right here, and then we have a hour demand. So a few different things going on. Living room, what up? What up? What up? So went to tilt last night, but recognized it too late. But I also had the moment. So changes are coming in January. Nice, brother. All good, man. It's all good. It happens to all of us, man. It really does. It really does. As long as you recognize going on tilt and you feel it, you understand the emotions, and you let yourself like feel it, then it's all that's all that matters, man. All love. All love. Sir. We zoom down to the 5 minute. Oh man, look at this play right here. Look at this play right here in this 5 minute candle. What time was that at? 6:55. Shoot, man. I I was busy trying to fix the stream. That would have been a nice little setup there. This 5-minute supply looks interesting to continue. I'm going to delete the 1 hour demand that we're in right now. I'm going to take a peek at the news also because I know there's some sort of news happening today. Oh, okay, never mind. I thought there was red folder news today, but there isn't. That's tomorrow. That's tomorrow. I want to see you win big time in the new year, mate, and I got pure faith in you. I'll be here the whole way, my guy. Thank you so much, man. Same here, man. It's been a long road coming to get to this point, so I'm just thankful to be here. You know, I'm just thankful to be here. I'm just thankful to be here. MC, how are you doing today? Shaq, how are you doing today? I'm doing good, man. Little feel under the weather. So, but I wanted to show up to the charts because tomorrow or today I'll be leaving out of town for some work/play. I won't be streaming the rest of the week. And then next week is Christmas, but I leave for California mid next week. So I'll probably go live, Lord willing, on Monday. Don't know exactly, but we're here today. And just glad to be with you guys. You know, it's been a long time coming, like we were talking about, like Live Room saying. Like, I really hope so this year that things change for me in the trading world. I've been after it for a while, just like all of us have been. But the emotional highs and lows are pretty bad. You know, they're pretty bad. So, but we're here. You know what I mean? Is gold going up now? Yeah, I mean there's a chance that in this 1 hour demand gold's gonna go up. It's a little too risky for me, for my taste, currently. I'd want to see it really touch the demand and then create a new higher high. So just sitting tight. They are not cleaned up yet, but they were an idea for you when you get off the stream. They have a wick like a candle, and it's supposed to fade out over time with WebM, like to keep them solid on CapCut. Thanks, man. Yeah, I will take a look at it. As you know, I have a team that edits all my content for my clients and also my content. So I'll have to take a look at it and make sure that it makes sense. So yeah, appreciate that. Is it worth getting a funded account, like straight to funded? I don't know. In my opinion, yes. If you know exactly what you're trying to do, but there's sometimes they're capped. You know, payouts are capped or whatever the case is, and I'd rather go through the motions and have not so many rules on payouts. I should be just drinking water, but I need my coffee, you know what I mean? I need my coffee. My coffee. All right, so market's about to open. I don't know how confident I feel in this setup here on NQ. These EMAs on the 1 hour are starting to cross over, and if this red line, the 13 EMA, crosses the 200, that's a very bullish move. But sometimes they get close to each other and then they start to reject. So there's some opportunity here. Like for instance here, the EMAs got really close to crossing over and then it rejected, right? So here, you know, I'm anticipating maybe the red line 13 EMA stays below and we short here. Short to go lower. It fits our parameters on the NQ. We hit a 1 hour supply, which we tapped right up here. This is the 1 hour supply, big yellow box here. When we zoom down to the 5 minute, we are creating a new lower low, and we have a trend line break, which is more added confluence, but higher high, lower high, higher high, and then we made a new lower low. We also created a lower high, so anticipating possibly shorting here to make the next lower low. So yeah. Good morning, everyone. Shaq, hope you feel better soon, man. Thank you, man. But you're still doing curls today. Yeah, I'm down for it. But we got to hit those 50 likes. We might not hit the stream might not be as hot today because we're not vertical yet, which is totally fine with me. But yeah, that's I didn't know how to. I was trying to work on it this morning. I should have probably waited, but I got caught in the mindset of trying to go vertical and horizontal today. But I don't know if we're gonna get 50 likes because we're not gonna have as many people streaming on the stream. Excuse me. Why is it not vertical? I don't know. Don't ask me. I don't know what I'm talking about. Do I know what I'm talking about? I don't know what I'm talking about, to be honest. Dang, there's no love on Facebook. There's no love on Facebook, guys. It's dry. It's dry as a desert out there. Let me go to the YouTube. Let me go to the tube. You know, it's whatever. We're here trying to figure something out, and let's just chill out. You know, we don't have to trade today. No one says that we have to that we have to trade. We can just be here, you know. Funded Next has denied me a payout for internal reasons, which I asked them for more information. They kept coming up with rules I had never heard about of. Dang, bro. You know, I really do hate that. I really do hate the fact that you got denied a payout. You know, they're running a business. So their business is that they make money when traders break rules and blow up accounts, right? But that is the risk that we all take when we trade prop firms, guys. Like, you know, that's all of our risk is when we trade prop firms. They can refuse payment. I'm sure within terms and conditions somewhere it says they can do whatever they want, and we just kind of go with it. So I'm sorry to hear that. There's a lot of guys that are in the prop firm world that big YouTubers, and maybe you can bring it up to them on X and tell them you got a denial of payout. But yeah. Dwalem, what did I tell you about Facebook? You told me, bro. You told me. I heard you. I'm just giving it a shot. You know what I mean? Sometimes you gotta give it a shot. Y'all see this? Y'all see this? Trying to give TikTok a shot. Hold up. Wait a minute. Put a little love in it. Just trying to move it to my other screen. There you go. Ba-bum, 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 ba-bum. Now, are there traders in TikTok, Adwalem? Are there traders in? I hope I said your name right. Are there traders in TikTok? What is that from? That's a cartoon or some sort. Is that Snoopy? Excusem? Excusem? Everybody's on TikTok. True, 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 true. I was going to take a trade today on GBP USD, but I might miss my entry. But the way it is moving, it looks like I might get another chance. Nice. Candlestick Cam, welcome back. He slapped that. He slapped that. Hashtag God Candle right away. Hey, bro, I ain't hating. I like it. Let's go. Just bear with me, guys. I know the stream's a little bit crazy today, but I'm just glad it's only a few of us, just a handful. You know, we're just chilling. We're just chilling. We're just chilling. Market is open, everybody. Market is open. Stay tight. Manage your stops. Most importantly, excuse me. The most important thing you can do today is have fun. Have fun with us here in the stream. That's the most important thing you can do. Is today a 50K? Hey, hold up, bro. Hold up. We already assuming as if we gonna get something. We already assuming. I don't know, bro. I don't know. We gonna be giving away something. I don't know. I'd have to look at Apex, bro. At the moment, like it's $40 for a 300K. Oh yeah, there's a hold on, am I muted? Hold on, I ain't muted. What you talking about, bro? My mic's working. Am I muted, guys? I don't think I'm muted, guys. I do not think that is true. JW Trades is a troll. He's a troll. Why are you trolling me, bro? Thank you, guys. Or maybe you're muted. You're muting me, JW Trades. Okay, never mind. My bad. He's not a troll. Just a simple mistake. I made mistakes myself. I made a mistake assuming that JW Trades is a troll. Bro, it was me. Okay, alright. Alright, cool. I thought you were trolling me, bro. All good, brother. I used to be in the NJROTC. I would flip the rifles. Believe it or not, I used to be thin. Push-ups, military, platoons, running around. Oh, 9. NQ cells. I am thinking about NQ cells, but I want to see it up here, bro. See it hit up here. Anyone notice that TopStep Dash is delayed as F? Not like normal. Emails are slow, etc. I haven't really noticed that. Yesterday was horrible. So I don't know. Maybe some of what happened yesterday kind of bled over. But that is possible. Mumu gwe mi fi mi sao. Mumu gwe mi fi mi sao. Uh-uh. Uh-uh. Pardon my coughing in your freaking ears. I'm so sorry, guys. Honestly. I hear you. I had you load enough for my neighbors to start banging on the wall. Oh shoot, my bad. I don't care. Their kid was banging and crying for hours on Saturday. Gold buys. Technically, I mean, I like gold buys, but it's just not. There's nothing really too clear. Potentially in this 5 minute demand, you can try going long. But I wanna see a break of structure, so I want to see the next higher high broken. And we might not get that. Check Discord. Luke said check the Discord. Let's check the Discord, bro. D. Okay, Luke. Let's go, bro. W's in the chat for Luke. Waiting for the pullback later today. I say we sell right now. Trap shorts best of the day. Yeah, I mean, I don't know. Nothing's really calling my name. You know, NQ's nice sell off. I was hoping to go short up here in this 5 minute supply, but that didn't happen. So now we're in this 1 hour demand on NQ. Just want to see the reaction. And guys, we're only 7 minutes into market open, so 7 minutes in. I like the gold buys here. Might take a stab long. On oh, what the bro, that was so laggy. This is just on the combine. This is not on live funded, everybody. Not live. Bro, what the heck, man? Why you do that, TikTok? I didn't ask you to do that. I'll have to figure it out, guys. I'll have to figure it out. This is just a challenge account. This is just an eval. I'm taking a pretty risky setup here. Nothing too great, so don't, you know. I'm very aware of the lack of a good setup that this is. But I'm taking it based on 1 hour demand, nice 5-minute candle closure on the 13 EMA, and the opportunity of just taking a nice scalp. So we don't know. Just passed a TopStep combine and the dash isn't working properly. I'm losing faith in TopStep. You know what? I've felt the same way yesterday. But you know the truth is that they're one of, or if not the biggest prop firm, and people are going to overlook it if they can get their act together in the next 2 days, and they're gonna keep using TopStep. You want to know why? Because they're gonna pay out. You know, TopStep pays out. How much time do you take to pass a funded account? These last two that we just passed took a week and a half or so. Excuse me. All right, we might get cooked on this one, which I will be totally fine with. Again, just an eval. Just an eval, y'all. NQ, very strong sell-off. Very strong sell-off into the 1 hour demand. I'd be intrigued to possibly short here. But not for sure, for sure. All right, we're in full size. Our risk is a little bit more than anticipated. But it is what it is. I don't like that I'm risking $400. But we got to risk what we got to risk. We are cooked. We are cooked on this setup.
Order filled.
Nice. How much time does it? They are one of the biggest, but saying this, they have withheld what they offer regarding the platform function. If they didn't say that they do this, I would respect it. Yeah, 100% agree. Bro, people still use Robinhood after they literally restricted your rights to buy stock. Yeah. That's true, man. That's true. It's all, large corporations and businesses know the psychology of people. They're going to kind of go back to what they know, and so many large companies have made mistakes and they just kind of like move on. And it ends up working out for them. That is, I'm going to make a video about that, Top Trader Live. Luke, sorry. I am going to talk about progressing and opening up your own funded account. That's what I'm going to do no matter what. Like I told you guys before, I sold my Supra. So I'm just waiting for the dealership to cut me the check because they had to get the title, yada yada. There's a lien on it. When I get that, taking $3,000, opening up my own funded account. Just easy. I'm no brainer. After trading prop firms for so long, it's time to open up my own funded. Well, we got stopped out on that nasty little wick. So long still might be in play. NQ looks like a fake out. Sellers to continue up. Possibly. Yeah, possibly. It's a strong sell-off, so it might be bought pretty quick. Easy money. Bro, you need to open a live futures account with that 3K. That's exactly what I'm going to do. I'm going to go to Tradeovate, open up my own funded account, and go from there. All right, well, we got stopped out on that nasty little pullback just for it to hit our take profit. But, that's the game. That's the game we play. I like live account rather than funded because you have to wait for withdrawal. With winning days, live account, make profits, take them out same day. 100%, bro. That's literally the truth. There are so many real traders that just have their own funded accounts. They trade $500,000, $600,000 over their own money, and they make 3, 4, 5 grand a day. They can pull out as much as they want, And ultimately, that's where you want to be. I am not a long-term prop firm trader for the rest of my life. I am gonna open up my own account. I'm gonna get payouts from prop firms and fund it to my own account. So that should always be the long-term outlook. But yeah, longs on gold. We got stopped out. Bro. Kind of hurts my feelings. Name it God Candle prop firm. Possibly. I have a good amount in my own account. Just don't trade aggressive on it, which is why I like the funded account as I get quick cash injections for my own. Yeah, exactly. That's the goal. So I'll be going after that for sure. All right, so NQ is definitely selling off. So what we're gonna do is we're gonna clear the drawings, and we're going to adjust some demand zones. We got to here. I have a support here. These are our most extreme areas of supply and demand. Everything in between right now doesn't really make any sense to do anything. So now I'm just gonna wait on NQ. Potentially like longs down here. If this aggressively sells off in the next 5 minutes, I like the chance of just popping off and buying longs here. And this 1 hour demand. A super high risk trade. Very, very high risk trade. I could say with absolute confidence that I'm not a scalper. Every time I scalp, I end up blowing it the same day. Yeah. That's true, man. That's true. Some people are scalpers. Some people are swing traders. Some people just like to hold long. Looking to swing, you're struggling to control your emotions in the market. When I had issues, I switched to swing trading and placed my trades and left them. Yeah, I'm the opposite, man. I can't handle sitting there letting my trades be in a... I can't handle my trades being somewhere... Or I can't handle, like, living my life and having trades open. I was wanting to short. Didn't hit that supply. We are very close to it. Very, very close. Doesn't it feel like a dopamine when jumping in on the charts and then slowly went back into scalping once I got over that? Top step down again? Stop it. Stop it right now. Oh my gosh, top step is down again. Dude, are you kidding me? Excuse me. I'm going to top step right now. Top step lobby. You can't make this up 2 days in a row. Yo, this is crazy, dude. Yeah, people going crazy right now. Oh man. Oh dude, I'm actually very frustrated. This actually this makes me go want to not trade props. Once I get that check, I'm going to open up my live funded account and just say screw it, bro. Screw prop firms. I don't care about the commissions that I can make from them and offering it. Like, let me see if TX3 funded is doing the same thing. I only trade futures. Yeah, bro, you're not wrong, bro. You're not wrong now. I think I might just literally move on to just having my own funded account because this is crazy, bro. All right, so it's not just Project X. You had 2 trades open? Dude, no freaking way, bro.
Order filled.
FTMO is not based in the United States, so I'm a little bit hesitant. So can I see the NQ chart? It was trade. NQ was right here.
Order filled.
Can I see NQ? Have a NQ charts right here on the left, man. Have a gander at Apex for the value right now. It's worth it. Yeah, I used to trade Apex. I have a like 2 payouts with them. The only problem is I don't like that the trailing drawdown. It's not good for my type of trading. You have to take profits no matter what, and that breeds bad trading psychology, in my opinion. But it is cheap. It is cheap. It's almost like my broke on my setup on Ethereum. It had 24 hours update, and I see it live setup, and I could turn $40 into 2,000. Now that's a trade. Thank you. Also, no compensation has been allocated for losses by TopStep in regards to Project X outage. Usually they are good for this. Yeah, it's true. I agree. Waiting for a bullish engulfing candle to get in long. For NQs, yeah, you know, I can see that. I can see that. I'm gonna add in into this NQ trade breaks. Really quick, I'm just gonna pull up gold. I need to see what it looks like on the 5-minute.
Order filled.
For the NQ. Yeah, no problem, no problem. I'll pull it up here for you. It's a high risk here. Totally. This is my 100K account with TX3 Pro. And I'll probably add 3 more here if it rejects. Bro, you lost 350K XFAs. I would be so angry too, bro. I would be so angry too. Good morning, good morning. Hello, hello. NQ shorts potential. NQ shorts potentially up in this yellow box area. Bruh, that is so frustrating.
Order filled.
What up, what up, what up, what up? Yo, we got faked out. Might get faked out on this gold trade here. We really want to see the 5-minute close on the 13 EMA. If we don't, we can count it cooked. We can count it cooked. What are you trading on? I'm switching. I'm trading on TX3 Markets right now. There is a link in the description. Use code ShackMT if you want to trade with TX3 Markets, futures or forex. All right. We're probably gonna get stopped out on this one.
Order filled.
All right, that we got stopped out on that one. Your trade is giving PTSD. Yep. Part of it, guys. Ruben, what's up, bro? I like the setup still. It could be just chopping up a bit, but just stay a little bit more patient, and see what happens. All right, I'm gonna try it one more time because this is still
Order filled.
there for me. All right, this is still lit for me. And this is just TX3 Markets, TX3 Markets. So I'm giving this one more shot. It is a setup. It's in the 1-hour supply. Taps a 5-minute supply. That's the area of entry. We break the last higher lows, and that's the setup. So I'm just taking the setup. I like taking the second stab at it just in case it actually follows through. TopStep is still down. Yeah, you might be right. You might be right. It might be bullish. It might be fighting the trend here, but we broke the trend. We broke the structure. So, yeah. And this is just my eval. This is not express funded or anything.
Order filled.
Nice. Bruh. It better not drop. It's the same thing that said I took on gold, blown the account FX3. That's why it's giving me PTSD. Gotcha. It happens, man. It's part of the game. So yeah, we're good. I mean, I gave it another shot on that idea. And this is $2,000 in drawdown, so I'm totally fine. Or $3,000 in drawdown. I'm totally fine giving a little bit more juice on these 100K accounts. Oh snap! Okay, so I guess TopStep is back. Okay. Okay, TopStep is back. Yep, it's just rinse that drawdown, bro. I don't know what that means actually. Keep jabbing. Rinse that drawdown. I don't know. Are you saying like just keep bringing it down? So it's just TopStep. Yeah, it is because you're Project X, right? Yep, that's correct. TX3 Markets. Project X is still good. I mean, it looks like it's back. If I do a stop sell 5. Nope, not back. How do I... Oh yeah, it's working, but it's like super laggy. 5 compounds? Dang, bro. It's all good. They gotta fix it. They should be able to fix it. 1002 New York local low seems to be SMR. I don't know what SMR is. Smart money reversal. Gotcha. Something I don't look at. Man. All right, one last time on TX3 Markets. Actually, guys. Just gonna wait for like some sort of 5-minute engulfing candle on gold. And Q, nothing. And Q, I would like to short up in this yellow box if we get. Excuse me. NQ might flip here. Continue lower. Possibility. We might be making the next leg lower, so like down this. Kind of like it. I kind of like NQ shorts. It's not A plus setup, but
Order filled.
it's just me trading my evals. I'm just trading evals, guys. I'm just trading evals. Nothing serious. I ain't touching my funded account. That's for sure.
Order filled.
If I hit on this one on the TX3 markets, I'm going to, if I get stopped out, I'm going to lock myself out. It looks like TopStep is back, but I don't yeah, TopStep is back, but I don't want to trade it. Smart, not to blow it up, Smart move. Check, check. Check, check. Man. I think we're getting cooked on this one. All right. That was pretty close to getting stopped out there. Pretty close. Pretty close, wouldn't you say? We're still not in the clear. Excuse me.
Order filled.
I got break even twice, bro. This PA sucks. Yes, it does. Price action's a little bit choppy right now. I'm just trying to trade with the trend on NQ, see if we get somewhere. Potentially take profits here if we get there. We're not in the clear yet. We got 1 minute left on this 5-minute candle. It's pretty important to see us see some selling pressure here and push for the next swing low. What's up, TikTok? Tickety talk talk. I've never really been live. This is my first live on TikTok. What's up, guys? I wish there was a way where all platforms can stream together. One platform together. Excuse me. All right, that 5-minute candle engulfed the last one, but it's looks kind of choppy. I really need to see this push. Really need to see this push down. Arturo, welcome, welcome. Jasira Pinto, welcome. Sean, welcome. Nord, welcome. Really need to see this push down. If not, we are cooked. Sideways price action is... don't look at gold. Look at gold do the engulfing thing. You know what I mean? The freaking engulfing thing, and now it's rejecting. Well, gold shorts was originally the play. I like gold shorts now, with it breaking the last swing lows. So, but I'm on here now. I mean, maybe we take it on the trading combine, but I don't like the fact that we identify the cause of affecting user subset. Impact a subset of traders may still inability to log and cannot impact a trade. If you're experiencing an issue, we recommend pausing trading while work to fix. Our engineers working to fix. Freaking TopStep, man. Yeah, I don't like the support that NQ is creating here on the 1 minute. How would you give away an account if you're live in more in one place? That's a good question. I haven't thought about that. Hey, my guy, glad to see you be here live. Here live with you. Thanks, man. Appreciate it. Welcome, welcome. Today is just red day on my 100K pro account with TX3 Markets. I was going to be trading TopStep, but they have been having so many issues. I don't want to trade my funded accounts with them right now. So,
Order filled.
Order filled. All right, we got kicked out. We got kicked out there on my pro accounts, which is all good. Which is all good. I don't want to take the risk on my evals or even my express accounts with TopStep. I don't feel confident right now with either or. So with the TX3 markets, I'm more aggressive with it and totally fine with it. So TX3 is great. They're doing their payouts. The links inside of the description. Their challenges are pretty reasonable. Use ShackMT for a code for a discount. I think they're a great prop firm. I'm not really pushing hard to get a payout with them right now. I'm more focused with TopStep to get a payout with them because I want to make my money back. But yeah. Check, check. Check, check, 1, 2. Why is my mic not working? Check, 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 check. Check, 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 check. Oh, okay, I guess that's why. It's because it was very low. Check, check, 1, 2, check, check. Check, 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 check. Bro, price action is bad today. Look at that. 5, 10, 15, 20, 25 minutes of back and forth chop on NQ. That right there, my friend, will kill you. Yeah. Yeah. I don't know if TopStep's going to do anything about what happened with the accounts. Gold shorts, gold shorts, gold shorts, gold shorts, gold shorts. Even my first trade would have worked out with gold short if I had my stops above the 5-minute area. But my stops were a little too tight, so the gold shorts didn't work out. But maybe we do giveaways on TikTok and then giveaway on YouTube and giveaway on Facebook. And I try giving away on all the accounts, on all of them. And Will, you can join on every stream and try to win on all the stream platforms. It's a good idea. Maybe I get TX3 Markets and Funded Hero to allow me to give away on each platform. Freaking Wolf of Will Hunt joined on TikTok. Wolf, you freaking joined on TikTok also? Freaking Wolf. I see. All right, I'm here. All right, Wolf. Fair play. GG's, my friend. If you're on TikTok, it would mean so much to me if you tap the like button on the TikTok algorithm for the TikTok algorithm. Excuse me. Tomorrow I will figure out how to live stream vertically on TikTok. So da da dum dum. Ba da dum 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 da dum da dum dum ba da dum 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 da dum da dum dum. Mr. Somebody, no way. You guys are freaking jumping in from YouTube. To the window. To the wall. To the wall. That song's stuck in my. That song's used to play in the game. Need for Speed Underground. That was my game. Played that game all the time. Excuse me. You guys literally came from YouTube all the way over here. You're long on NQ? You're long on NQ? Luke, is a little choppy for me, bro. Not my vibe right now, to be honest. Not my vibe. Good luck on your longs on NQ, Luke. Hopefully it's a winner for you. Andres, welcome, welcome. Mr. Somebody. Wolf of Will Hunt. What up? Hopefully the microphone's working again. Should be good with the microphone for sure. For sure. We should be good. Should be good. I raised it up a little bit. I raised it up a little bit. All right. I turned off noise suppression, so. Bro, today's choppiness is pretty bad. Mr. Somebody. Yeah, guys, you know, tomorrow is what is it called? Tomorrow's news is inflation CPI data. So it might be sideways for today. Definitely not trading the express accounts. Mr. Somebody, holla! Holla! Hey, appreciate the likes, y'all. Appreciate the likes. Okay, TikTok, you're popping off a little bit. YouTube's still #1 though. Nothing. I don't like anything. Gold is gone. My lo-fi is louder here. Oh, thank you for telling me that, Mr. Somebody. Let me adjust that lo-fi for you, bro. How about that? Is that better? I can have sound effects in here, bro. What? I need to figure out how to do sound effects. All right, NQ shorts, guys. NQ shorts definitely came into play. Excuse me. Facebook's the only one that's dead. Facebook's dead. Facebook got nobody. Facebook's got no love. It's all good, Facebook. Adwalem? Bro, that name is just so cool. Adwalem? NQ shorts ended up playing out, but too much chop. Too much chop. I prefer being here. Is TikTok weird? Is it weird out in TikTok? I can send hearts to TikTok. There's 999 hearts and I just spammed it. Thanks, bro. Appreciate it. I appreciate that. I appreciate the spam. Mr. Somebody went back to YouTube. Okay, y'all. Okie dokie. I don't know how much I like TikTok Live. All right, so if the 5-minute candle closes below this swing low here, I will take it short up here. Sorry, guys. Sorry, just coughing in the mic. That cold season. I'm back on YouTube. Hashtag okay. I'm nearly cooked on this long. Ah, oh, bro. I'm so sorry to hear that. It's too choppy today. Gold just destroyed me. Yeah, guys, it's this is some crazy price action, to be honest. Very, very crazy. "24 seconds left. Want to see it close below this 5, this swing low." Seven, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Very nice. We did close below it, so I will look to enter in short here. I'm taking this on the Combine and the live account. NQ, potential shorts here in this 5-minute supply. Something like that. Gold long coming up. Yeah, possibly. I mean, I would like to because I want to enter in up here at this 5-minute supply. So for the sake of educational purposes, on the live, this is on the live funded account. Take it on the Express. On Fluke and says, have a 1 hour price in 1H supply. Break of trend line break. 3 break of structure or change of structure. And that would be our confluences. We might not get filled on the trade, to be honest, guys. We might not get filled, and that's part of the game. Fresh XFA, yes sir, yes sir. Fresh XFA. Hot off the press. Hot off the press, if you know what I mean. Enrique, welcome, welcome. I do not feel good, guys. I do not. So with this break of structure here, this last higher low or higher low, yeah, higher low, higher high. Since we broke it, I do want to go short at this 5-minute supply. That's part of the setup. But we might not get it, to be honest. You're long on NASDAQ. You're long on NASDAQ. Okay. Yeah, I mean, I kind of like that sentiment in this last final 1 hour demand right here. There's maybe some buyers anticipating this demand zone. So I can potentially see people trying to go long here. Wayne, what's up, brother? I just saw it on Facebook. I'm trying to catch up with stuff. Question is, Morning Shack, what's the difference between long and short? Long is thinking that price is going to go up, and short is thinking price is going to come down. So you can make money either up or down with trading futures. Right now I'm trading futures, but you can do that in stocks. You can go short on stocks, believing price is going to go down. You could go, you can go long, which is believing price is going to go up. All right, all right. Excuse. Appreciate the likes, Dwayne. Appreciate the likes. So just kind of chilling, guys. Right now on the live funded account, I do like the shorts on NQ. I mean on gold. In this area, we are in a 1 hour demand on NQ, so there is an opportunity for longs, for sure. Super high risk if you do take longs on NQ, but there's a good chance for some sort of retracement. There goes NQ kind of bouncing up. I took NAZ on a demo. Don't see my setup yet. Nice. Yeah, NQ longs off of 1 hour demand. High risk, but there could be some Momo, and you could see some good price action there. Nice. Meant NQ. Gotcha. TikTok's crazy. TikTok, if I don't say anything on TikTok, or like it like was gonna kick me out, there's like you're about to get kicked out for inactivity. Jeez, TikTok a little crazy here, trying to make me say something every 5 seconds, huh? We could be waiting here for a while, everybody. Ay, caramba. Excuse me, guys. Excuse my whining. All right, so I don't think we're gonna get that nice little pump up to our area of entry on NQ or on gold. NQ still in the 1 hour demand. Nothing to do there. Dwayne, has the liquidity sweep taken place yet? Oh, okay. I don't really look for liquidity sweeps. I don't know exactly what that is. I think that's a smart money trading, SMC or whatever, smart money concepts. But I don't know if you're talking about this, maybe if this is liquidity sweep for you. But price broke above this last swing high, rejected. So yeah, Dwayne, I didn't know you traded, Dwayne. Doki, I hear you. I hear you loud and clear, Dwayne. Dwayne is a trader. Liquidity sweeps. I'm all for it. Price made a new swing low, so we got a higher high, lower high, higher high, and then a lower low. We came back up. We broke this last higher low. I always get those confused. Higher low, lower high. Higher low, lower high. I'm not feeling good and not thinking straight. This lower high, we broke it, so our entry is in this 5-minute supply. That's our area of entry. So we're waiting for price to potentially come back up here to enter in for a short. NQ's not giving anybody any longs. So our original trade on NQ shorts would have been money. It would have hit our TP already. But this price action was so choppy. I had my stops kind of tight. We got chopped up pretty hard. So there goes gold. There goes gold. Excuse me. So this is the game, you know. It's unfortunate. Price didn't really happen. Price didn't play out the way we wanted it to play out, and that doesn't happen. It's not every day that we have perfect price action hit our area of interest, and we're in the shorts, right? Like it's not every day that we get perfect price action. In these type of environments, what's important is to not react and try not to react in the sense of feeling FOMO. Like right now, you know, I feel a little frustrated that I didn't get a chance to go in short. Also, my shorts earlier would have played out nicely, but I had my stops just a little bit too tight. So at this point, you know, I don't know exactly what I plan on doing for the rest of the day. Maybe I'll just call it a day. Maybe I'll set an alert for up here and wait for it to get price action to get up here and go short. So guys, I have to leave you now. Let me nap. Not feeling good today, bro. Me and you, Mr. Somebody. I'm so sorry to hear that you're not feeling well either. It's going around. Definitely not a joke. So get some rest and. I'll see you again, brother. Lord willing, I'll see you again. Nah, man, they're not playing today. Bullish. Sellers are in control right now. 5, 10, 15, 20, 25, 30 minutes of straight selling. Excuse me. Just really not feeling well today. I think I might call it a day and head home and rest because I have a lot to do this next few days. A lot to do. NQ hit your TP. Nice. Jen, what up, bro? Welcome back. All right, well, there's no shot right now. All right, y'all. Well, it's gonna be a while, so I do plan on taking this setup short up here still. I'll see what it's like when price gets closer to this area. I'm gonna set my alerts. Well, I appreciate you joining the stream, everybody. Make sure to leave a like, maybe hit a comment, maybe hit the subscribe button if you haven't done so. Hope to see you guys in the next one. Let me see if I can switch this over. Hey, you guys can see my whole face now, right? Let me see. You guys should be able to see my whole face. There you go. All right, well, it has been a pleasure hanging out. Today was a little bit of an L. Got stopped out on some good trade ideas. And stay tight out there. Respect your stop losses. Try not to go on tilt. No account today. No, not today. I had too many issues trying to just set up the stream. I want to make sure we do it on a good one. And there was only 17 people going live right now, so I obviously want to do it when there's more opportunity, more people. But yeah, hopefully you guys enjoyed the stream. Hopefully you enjoyed yourselves joining into the stream. I don't know what I'm saying right now. Man. All right. Take care of yourselves. I don't plan on going live tomorrow, rest of the week, because I got a lot going on. So I will see you guys.